set 22 paper 1. First question, what is the sum of 6/10? And that will be 0.6, 300 plus 0.03, and 5,000 plus 0.005. My final answer will be 0.635, and question 1 answer is option 3. Let's look at question 2. 2.5% is the same as, okay, let's do a quick revision. 1% is 1 over 100. 2% is 2 over 100. 2.5% will be 2.5 over 100. There's 2 zeros here, so 2.5. Okay, when we divide it by 100, when you divide, you become smaller, so you move 1, 2. So the dot is here. So your final answer will be 0.025, and that will be question 2. Answer is option 2. Okay, now we look at question 3. The table below shows the scores of 4 pupils in a test. Who has a test score that is closest to the average score of the 4 pupils? Alright, so we take Ali's 85 plus Bala 80 plus Charlie 72 plus Delwin 75. Their total scores will be 302. Okay, so we know that average equals to total divided by number of subjects. So we have 312 divided by 4 people, and our answer is 78. And Bala's score of 80 is the closest to 78. So for question 3, our answer will be 2, Bala. Question 4. Express 4 meter as a percentage of 3 kilometers. So we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 3 kilometer, that will give us 3000 meter. So as a percentage, so we have 45 over 3000 times 100%. Okay, and this will give us, we can take away the 0, another 0, and we will have 45 over 30, and divided by 15, we have 2, and 3, we have 1.5. So our final answer for question 4, answer is option 3, 1.5%. Now we move on to question 5. In the figure not drawn to scale, PQ, RS are straight lines. Find angle POT. Okay, let's draw the figure out first. So this line, this is S, this is R, this is P, and this is Q, and this is T. We have 49 degrees here and 88 degrees here. Okay, we do know that angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so with this in mind, this angle here would actually be 180 degrees minus 88 degrees. and we will get 92 degrees. The answer wanting us to find P O T. This is the answer that we need to find. So same thing, angles on a straight line, we have 180 degrees, minus away 92 degrees, minus away 49 degrees, and our final answer will be 39 degrees. So question 5, our answer is option 1. Okay, now we move on to question 6. Ahmad had some stickers. He sold 25% of his stickers, so 25% is actually 25 over 100. It's actually 1 over 4. After that, he gave 0.2 of the remaining stickers to his friends. Okay, 0.2 is actually 2 over 10, 1 over 5. And he was left with some stickers. What percentage of stickers did he have left? Okay, after you have changed the percentage and decimals into fractions, and you see the keyword there, remaining, you can actually use the branch method. So you look something like this. At first he had some stickers. Of the 25%, which is 1 over 4, he sold them, which means he left with 3 over 4 remaining. Out of 3, 1 over 4, he gave 0.2 to his friends, which is 1 over 5 to his friends, and he left with 4 over 5, which is what he's left over. I put a box here. To get this box, we have to take 3 over 4 times 4 over 5, so we have 3 over 4 times 4 over 5, cancel, cancel. We have 3 over 5 in this box. So, what percentage of stickers did he have left? He left 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is the same as 6 over 10. 60 over 100, same as 60%. So question 6, answer is 4, 60%. Move on to question 7 now. Kenny has a large sheet of paper measuring 24 by 10. Okay, so this is 24 cm. This is 10 cm. He wants to cut squares from this sheet of paper. If the length of each square is 4, what is the maximum number of squares he can cut from the large sheet of paper? Alright, okay, so let's talk about the breadth first. He could only cut 2 squares because there will be 4 cm, 4 cm, that will be 8 already, and you're left with a 2 cm here gap. Okay, on top we could have 24 divided by 4, which will be equals to 6, which means it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then he will cut the second row. So in a total he'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for question 7, the maximum number of squares that he can cut would be option 2, which is answer 12. Okay, now we move on to question 8. The average mass of John, Ben and Cynthia is 56. So their total weight will be 56 times 3 equals to 168. If John is 16 kg heavier than Ben and Cynthia is 4 kg lighter than Ben, what is Cynthia's mass? So we have 3 people, John, Ben, Cynthia. Altogether, they weigh 168 kg. Cynthia is 4 kg lighter than Ben, so Cynthia will be 1 unit, or Ben will be 1 unit plus 4 kg. John is 16 kg heavier than Ben, so John will be 1 unit plus 4 plus 16. Okay, with that, we could solve the question easily. 168 minus away 4 minus away 16 minus away 4, that will give us 144. Altogether there is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, so 3 units give us 144. 1 unit will give us 48. So my answer for question 8, what is Cynthia weight? Cynthia is 1 unit, so answer is 48 kg, which is option 1. Okay, now we move to question 9. Find the difference between 0.742 and 3 over 50. First of all, 3 over 50 is the same as 6 over 100. There's 2 decimals placing, so 0.06. So we do have to take 0.742 minus 0.06, and our final answer will be 0.682. So for question 9, answer 0.682. We move on to question 10. In Udi's school, 14 over 25 of the pupils wear spectacles. What percentage wear spectacles? So 14 over 25 is the same as 28 over 50. Always remember, converting a fraction to that percentage, you try to make it over 100 denominator, and this will give you 56, and this answer is 56%. So question 10, my answer is 56%. Question 11. The sum of S, T and U is 360. This means sum means adding up, so S plus T plus U will give me 360. If the average of S and T is 96, which means S plus T is the same as 96 times 2, which will give me 192. What is the value of U? So from here we can see that we can cancel S, we can cancel T. The value of U is 360 minus away 192. Value of U is actually 168. So for question 11, answer, what is the value of U? 168. Now we move on to question 12. 3 bags of marbles have a mass of 4.6 kg. What is the mass of 9 such bags of marbles? So 3 bags of marbles will give me 4.6 kg. 9 bags of marbles will be 4.6 times 3, and this will give us 13.8 kg. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. 1.000 kg is a 1000 gram. So 13.800 kg will be 13 kg 800 gram. Question 12, my answer will be 13 kg 800 gram. Okay, now question 13. In the figure not drawn to scale, angle X is 4 times as much as angle Y. Find angle Y. So first of all, let me draw the model up. We have a right angle followed by angle Y, and then followed by angle X. We know that right angles are 90 degrees, and they say that this is actually 4 units, or this is 1 unit. Now we do know that angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so using that, we can have 360 degrees minus away 90 equals to 270 degrees. This is angle X plus angle Y will give you 270 degrees. 4 unit, 1 unit, this means that total of 5 units is equals to 270. 1 unit is equals to 54 degrees. Find angle Y. Angle Y is actually 1 degrees. So my final answer for question 13, answer angle is 54 degrees. Okay, we move on to question 14 now. Michael had $80. He spent 0.4 of it on shirt and 0.5 of it on a pair of shorts. How much money did he have left? Okay, at first Michael got one full hole, and he spent 0.4 of it on a shirt, and he spent 0.15 on a pair of shorts. This would left him with 0.45 of his money left. So 0.45 is the same as 45 over 100. Okay, 45 to decimal place, and this would mean it's 45%. This is what he have left, so he would actually have 45% of $80. That was what his original sum of money will give us. 45 over 100 times 80 over 1, cancelling, divided by 2, divided by 4 is divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2, this is 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1, 45 divided by 5 is 9, so 9 times 4 is 36. So question 14, my final answer is $36. Okay, now we move on to the last question of paper 1, question 15. The figure below is made up of identical squares and triangles. What percentage of the figure is shaded? Okay, if you notice that each square can be actually divided into 2 equal triangles, and if you have counted, you realize that there is actually 13 squares, and altogether that will means we have 26 triangles, and out of these 26, 14 of them is actually shaded. Out of 26, we times 100%. Okay, 26 divided by 2 is 13. This is 50, and our final answer after you've done would actually be 53. 11 over 13%, and my final answer for question 15 is 53. 11 over 13%.